Feast your eyes on the Asus Zenbook S14 OLED. This isn't just another laptop, it's a statement. With its innovative ceraluminum build, it's durable, fingerprint resistant, and undeniably premium. Notice that geometric grille above the keyboard? Those 2,715 CNC machined vents aren't just for show. They boost airflow and add a touch of sophistication. Despite its all-metal MIL STD 810H certified chassis, it's a featherweight at 1.2 kg and a mere 1.2 cm thin. Portability? Nailed it. And with a full suite of ports, HDMI 2.1, USB-C, USB-A, and a headphone jack, you're covered for anything. Now let's talk about the display. The 14-inch 3K OLED screen is a visual masterpiece. 120Hz refresh rate, vibrant colors, deep blacks. It's a joy for work and play. Pantone validated, 100% DCI P3 color gamut, perfect for creators. Dolby Vision, media consumption just got a whole lot better. Typing, a breeze. The keyboard offers decent travel and adjustable backlighting. Plus, a dedicated co-pilot key boosts productivity. The touchpad, smooth and responsive with effortless multi-touch gestures. Audio, Harman or Cardin speakers deliver clear, balanced sound with surprising bass, ideal for meetings or binge watching. Under the hood, an Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, up to 16 GB of RAM, and 512 GB of NVMe storage handle multitasking with ease. Light gaming? No problem. The integrated NPU is a game changer for AI-assisted workflows. While it might not top AMD's Ryzen AI 9HX in benchmarks, it's more than capable for everyday and creative tasks. Thermal management is solid, although fans can get quite a bit noisy under heavy load. Battery life? Stellar. The 72-watt-hour battery consistently delivers 10 to 12 hours on a single charge, and the 65-watt adapter, it juices you up from 20% to 100% in just 48 minutes. So, is it worth it? Absolutely. The Asus Zenbook S14 OLED is a premium ultrabook that checks all the boxes. Lightweight, stunning display, robust performance, and exceptional battery life. Priced competitively against Dell, HP, and Microsoft, it's a top contender. If you want a sleek, portable, and powerful ultrabook, the Zenbook S14 OLED should be at the top of your list. It's not just a laptop, it's a statement. Thanks for watching.